Hey everyone, welcome to Wholesome Bliss. Today I am excited to share with you all the recipe of a vegetable salad, which is my all-time favorite and it's always a hit anywhere. So let's see what all we need to make the salad. I take a container and I add in all the vegetables together. So here I have the red bell pepper, the green and the yellow ones, some broccoli, some carrots, onions, some baby potatoes, some tofu. So आप टोफू की जगह पनीर भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. And few cloves of garlic. And to this I will add some olive oil. This is almost about 2 tablespoons. And with this I add some salt. And pepper, black pepper. So just make sure you mix everything well. So all your vegetables should be well greased with the olive oil. So vegetables you can always add of your choice. जैसे आप इसमें एग प्लांट यानी कि बैंगन ऐड कर सकते हैं. देन यू कैन ऐड द कॉलीफ्लावर फ्लोरेट्स, और आप स्वीट पोटैटो ऐड कर सकते हैं एज इट इज़ अ सीज़न. लाइक इंडिया में अभी स्वीट पोटैटो का सीज़न है तो आप वो भी इसमें ऐड कर सकते हैं. एंड प्लस you can skip any vegetable if you don't like out of it. Now these vegetables we will roast for like 15 to 20 minutes. So I will show you in both ways how to roast it in the oven as well as how to roast it in a normal pan. So let's try both ways, and whatever is convenient for you, just go for it. So preheat the oven for 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius, and we'll take just a normal baking tray, and I just put a foil on it, and to this we are gonna spread the vegetables on it. So no need to grease the foil with some oil because the vegetables already have the oil into it. So just spread them. So I'll keep some of it to show to you in the how to cook in the pan. So these vegetables, just spread it. It won't take you any time to do that. So now this goes into the oven for like 15 to 20 minutes. So for the dressing we need like 2 teaspoons of soya sauce. So I have the dark soy sauce here. And 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of normal white vinegar, some lemon. I'll just directly squeeze into it. Again a little bit of salt, some black pepper again, and just 1 teaspoon of some mixed herbs like the Italian seasoning, or if you don't have that, you can always add some oregano. So we will add some herbs. And about 2 tablespoons of water. So this is a then just give it a good shake. And our dressing is ready. Now these leftover vegetables which we saved so that we can cook it on the pan. So just turn on the flame on high heat and pour in all the vegetables. You need not add any oil, separate oil, extra oil into it, because there's already the olive oil that we added in the veggies when we were mixing it. So just let it be for around 15 minutes or so. Just give it a quick shake in between. You can see this paneer or tofu is getting nicely roasted. It's getting the nice brown color. So our vegetables are all ready. Look at the nice glossy color of it. You know, it takes lesser time on the pan than in the oven. ये pan में मेरे को सिर्फ 10 मिनट लगे and it just came out perfect. And मेरे पास थोड़ी vegetables थी, इसलिए मैंने इसको छोटे pan में बनाया है. अगर आप सारी vegetables को pan में ही या कोई कढ़ाई में ही roast करने वाले हैं, just take a bigger one. So the ones which were in the oven, they are right out of the oven and they are all well cooked. I could check the potato, it's very soft. So these vegetables are ready. Now let's toss it with our salad dressing that we just made. So first the garlic cloves, I just roughly with my hand, I just press them. And so I toss in all the vegetables. Look at their color, very beautiful. तो जो पैन में हमने की थी वेजिटेबल्स रोस्ट, वो भी मैंने इसमें ऐड कर ली है ऑलरेडी. So once your vegetables are all roasted, and in this container, take some cherry tomatoes if you have. If you don't, then just do what I did. I just took a normal tomato and just cut it into some pieces and just add in the bowl. And here comes our homemade dressing. So give it a good shake one more time and just pour this beauty over the vegetables. This is my favorite part. And just take 2 tablespoons and give this a good nice mix. Just get some chopped coriander and garnish it over the top. And here you go. So our roasted vegetable, easy to make salad is all ready.